astronauts! Are you ready to explore space? Let's blast off and discover planets, stars, and rockets!
The sun is the center of our solar system. It's super hot and gives us light and energy to grow and play. Here's our home, Earth. It's blue and green and full of life. Wave hello to Earth.
Next stop, Mars. It's red, rocky, and might have had water a long time ago. Can you spot its big volcano?
Venus is so bright, it's the hottest planet. Can you feel the heat? It's like a giant oven in space.
Jupiter, look at Jupiter.
It's the biggest planet with a big red storm, Tanilani. It even has so many moons. Imagine all the moons in its sky. Look at those rings, Saturn is so beautiful. What are the rings made of? Ice and rock. They're like a giant cosmic hula hoop. Uranus is cool because it spins on its side. It's a giant ball of gas and ice. What a strange, tilted planet.
The farthest planet from the sun, Neptune, is blue and super windy.
It's like a frozen, stormy sea in space. It'll time! Say hi to Pluto, the tiny dwarf planet, but so small, but so special, like a little snowball far away from the sun. Shooting stars! Look up! Shooting stars are magical streaks of light. They're tiny bits of rock burning up in Earth's sky. Quick, make a wish!
Every space adventure needs a rocket. Will rockets blast off into space with a fiery roar? Hold tight as we zoom through the stars.
Astronauts are space explorers. They wear special suits to float and work in space. Can you imagine walking on the moon or fixing a satellite? Wow, little astronauts, you've done a great job exploring space today.
From the sun to Pluto, planets, stars, and rockets, and spinets. It's been such an adventure.
See you next time for more cosmic fun.
Thanks for watching our video, everyone. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and ask your grown-ups to subscribe to our channel. We have lots more fun videos coming up. See you soon.